Hi guys again, welcome to this channel. This is your channel Simple Math. This is going to be the second example about high-level perfect square trinomial. I invite you to watch the first video, which has a high level of proficiency. And then let's begin with this one. The instruction is factorized. We will apply perfect square trinomial or PST. Remember the first, before solving, we need to check if the trinomial is perfect or not. Despite the title of this video is perfect square trinomial, we have already known that this is a perfect square trinomial. We have to check. Let's check this. So remember the conditions to check if a trinomial is perfect or not. The first term and the last one must have square roots. So I'm going to take the square root of the first term, which is this. Yes. What is the square root of that? The square root, if you do prime factorization of 484, is 22. Yes? And what is the square root of n minus n exponent 12 or to the power of 12? The square root of parenthesis n minus n to the power of 12 is n minus n minus n to the power of 6. Remember, we divide the exponent by 2. Okay? And in the same way, I'm going to get the square root of the last term. In this case is 1 over 144. If you get the square root of 1 over 144 is 1 over 12. And now it's time to check. What do we have to check? We need to multiply those square roots. We have to multiply those square root times 2. That is the operation we need to follow. So times 2. Yes, we have to multiply those three things. If you multiply 22 times 2 times 1, yes, 22 times 2 times 1, remember they have invisible denominators. Yes, 22 has an invisible denominator, which is 1. 2 has a hidden denominator, which is 1. And then we multiply those fractions. How do we multiply fractions? We multiply all the numbers on top. It means all the numerators and all the numbers below. It means all the denominators. So we multiply. If you multiply all the numerators, so you get 22 times 2 times 1 is 44. Sorry, 44. And if you multiply 1 times 12 is 12. Yes, remember that we need to simplify the fraction. What number can we divide this fraction by? 44 over 12. Well, we can divide by 2. We can divide by 4. Yes, let's divide by 4. 44 divided by 4 is 11. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So what is the answer in the simplest form? 11 out of 3. If you see, we have the same than the second term of the trinomial. Yes, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, and n minus 6 to the power of 6, sorry, n minus n to the power of 6 is the same. So that means this is a perfect square trinomial. Because we have already checked that this is a perfect square trinomial, we are about to write the answer. Remember, how's the answer? We write a big parenthesis. Well, not too big, a normal parenthesis. Yes, like this. And the sign of the parenthesis is always the first sign of the trinomial. In this case, is plus. So we write here plus. Yes, and then we write the square root of the first term and the second term. Sorry, and the third term. So we're gonna write this, which is 22. Yes, parenthesis n minus n to the power of 6. That one was the first square root I got. And then we write the second square root that we got. This case is 1 over 12. And then do not forget to write the exponent for that parenthesis. Otherwise, the answer is incorrect. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching Simple Math and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.